Very good evening. I extend my heartiest welcome to all of you. It is a matter of immense pleasure and a great privilege to me that we all together are meeting virtually and will watch our children performance of Class 1A. At DAV, the challenge of globalized education, and that too in this current scenario, has been met by updating the curriculum and pedagogy with a view to meet the global needs and by helping students to develop their inborn talent and enhance their personality. At DAV, we believe that each child is unique and they have widespread interest in the sphere of quality education with a commitment to excellence. We cultivate all-round development of qualities in a student. We set sail therefore to further propel the strong foundations, developing the students' capabilities from global perspective by instilling self-confidence in them. We believe in the delivery of curriculum by incorporating activities based on multiple intelligence theory of Howard Gardner that leads to literacy, inquiry, creativity, and critical thinking. Multiple intelligence are 8 in number: visual, musical, logical, verbal, kinesthetic, interpersonal, intrapersonal, and naturalistic intelligence. We believe in using the different intelligence to teach a concept, allowing each of our diverse learners a chance to succeed at learning. We identify the type of intelligence that dominates a child and work accordingly to maximize the learning for our students, and that too in their own learning style. Now, not taking much time, I would like to take you to the virtual session by our rock stars, and now they will entertain you all through their informative session on plants. Yes, plants, our real friends. So stay tuned.
Friends, Corona is in the air, and in this Corona, it has been proved that who is our best friend? Can you guess who? Okay, let me give you a hint. They are also called our green friends.
Please tell us about them.
Well, do you really want to know? They are cold plants, a very important creation of nature. Just as we have different body parts, in the same way, they also have different parts.
Oh, well, you mean to say, just like our body parts perform different functions, like legs are supposed to stand, arms are supposed to hold. In the same way, plants too has so many parts which perform different functions, is it?
Yes! Wait. Students of 1A will tell you the functions of different parts of the plant. But before that, let me take you to the virtual tour to our school green area and will make you meet with our green friends in this school. So here we go.
Hope you all have enjoyed and liked our school green friends. Now let's meet with the parts of plant.
In the root, I absorb water and minerals from the soil. I I mostly grow under the soil. पर न होती पेड़ों में जड़, पेड़ कैसे रहते अजर? I am a stem, I can be green or brown, I can be thick or thin, I provide support to the plant. I am a leaf kitchen of the plant. I combine sunlight, air and water and mix food for the plant.
I am a fruit. I store a seed inside me. I am fresh, juicy, and very healthy to eat. You eat me in the form of orange, mango, apple, and many other. फल हूँ भाई फल हूँ मैं बड़ा रसीला. अगर तुम मुझे खाओगे तो बन जाओगे तंदुरुस्त और फुर्तीला.
I am a seed. The hard part inside the fruit is called seed. And do you know, most plants grow from seeds only. मैं आम में होता हूँ, अन्य फलों में भी होता हूँ. मैं आम में होता हूँ, अन्य फलों में भी होता हूँ. मैं फिर से जमीन में जाऊंगा, बढ़ता चला जाऊंगा. फिर से जमीन में जाऊंगा, बढ़ता चला जाऊंगा. I am a plant. I am a living being. I make my own food. I am a complete plant. I need sunlight, water, air, rich soil and space to grow. I give food and fresh air to live. I'm your best friend. We are your best friend. We make air fresh and pure. We provide oxygen to all living beings. It is advised go for a walk where we are there. People perform yoga where we are there. Yes, yoga. Yoga is art of performing few exercises. It is widely practiced for health. Few yoga lovers are coming. Let's enjoy yoga session. Tadasana. Stand straight on the ground and take a small leap between your feet. With the deep breathing, inhale. Raise your both arms. Keep your arms upward by interlocking your fingers. Now come on your toes by raising your heel. Now try to maintain this pose as much as you can. Come on your original position. Next is Parvatasana. This is a mountain pose. Sit on your knees. Let the two arms be on the floor. As your body slowly lower the head so that it is in between the two arms. Body looks like the triangle when observed from the sides. It also looks like the mountain. Last is Padmasana. It is also known as lotus pose. Let's start. Sit on the ground. Stretch your legs. Hold right leg. Keep it on left thigh. Repeat. Left leg. Keep it on right thigh. Your back should be straight. Your palm face up. Keep it on knee joint.
Have your palms. Keep on eye. Slowly open your eyes. Friends, always remember health is wealth. If you really want to be healthy, add yoga to your lifestyle. Yoga reduces stress, improves memory, manages weight, improves flexibility and balance, and encourages self-love and self-care. So stay healthy and stay happy.
Friends, do you know ascending order is arranging numbers from smallest to largest, and descending order is arranging numbers from largest to smallest. Now my friends Arava and Manvik will explain these with examples.
Hello friends, do you know what is descending order? Arranging things like numbers, quantities, ones, etc. from a larger value is known as descending order. Now I will show you the fallen leaves which I have collected. Wow, they are of different sizes. Well, if I have to arrange in descending order, how I will do? Okay, let me look for the largest one, and here it is. I am placing this here. Then I am placing this here. After this, then this, then this, then this. Now have a look. I have arranged my leaf in descending order. Now my friend Manvik will arrange his leaf in ascending order.
Friends, opposite of descending order is ascending order. Arranging things from lower value to larger value is known as ascending order. I too have leaf different sizes like Arav. Now I am going to arrange this ascending order, and here I go. See, here are my leaves, well arranged in ascending order.
Vegetable printing activity. For conducting this activity, we require poster colors, broccoli, ladyfinger, and A4 size sheet. First of all, I will cut one floret of broccoli and crown of ladyfinger. I will take these two vegetables into two different colors and stamp them onto my sheet. See, I decorated my tree. You can also try the same.
Hello friends, I have made this drawing on MS Paint. So I turned my computer into drawing board. It is full of fun and beautiful. Thank you. It's time for flameless cooking. Yes, cooking without flame. Do you know what we are going to prepare today? Yes, it is fresh fruit salad. What we need is a bowl, fresh fruits, serving spoon, lemon juice, black pepper and a salt. A bowl, then fresh, then put all fruits into
black pepper, chaat masala, and lemon juice. Stir it well. Stir it well. Friends, fresh fruit salad is ready. It's so yummy and tasty. They are very useful to us. There are many things we get from plants. Do you know what we get from plants? Today, me and my friends will show you what we get from plants. Fruit and vegetables we eat from plants. What else we get from plants? Let us see. Tree provides us wood, furniture like table, chair, window, door, and many other wood items is made up from wood only. Some plants are of medicinal importance. Such plants are of medicine plants like neem tulsi help us a lot in COVID-19. Plants give us rubber, gum, paper and eraser. Plants like eucalyptus and bamboos are used to make paper. Stems of bamboos are used to make furniture and body sticks. We get perfume and oil from plants. दादी के हाथों की चंपी कैसे होती अगर ये तेल ही नहीं होता? The amazing world of plants is filled with exciting and fun facts. So get ready to be surprised by plants fun facts. Bamboo is an extremely rapid growth plant. In fact, some bamboo varieties can grow 1 meter in a single day. There are over 1,500 bamboo species of bamboo. The first type of aspirin, painkiller and fever reducer came from the bark of willow tree. Banana contain a natural chemical that can make people happy. Apple had a 25% air, that is why it can float on water. And peaches, pears, apricots, strawberries and apples are the members of rose family. And do you know, friends, strawberry has an average 200 seeds. Yes, I love to eat strawberries. It's so delicious. Elephant grass in Africa is called elephant grass because it is 15 feet high. It is tall enough to hide behind. They also eat that grass. So friends, our plant kingdom is a wonderful place to spend time. They also are true friends. And no one can deny their true value. So say please, I plant a sapling. Do you want to listen? The answer Shappy wants to say. So let's go. Hey, come sing along with me. My name is Sayan Shah. Working and learning all day long. Let us sing a planting song. Friends, you see, my mama brought me a cute little sapling. Happy. Its aroma is infectious. Any guesses? Which plant is this? Anyone? Anyone? Let me give you the clue. It has a short and weak stem. It is a herb. Now you know. Yes, it is mint. Let me plant the sapling. Working and learning all day long. Let us sing a planting song.
Take the sappy, put it in the pot. Get some water, pour it on. Mint is everyone's herb. It can be easily used in our daily diet. Improves immunity and indigestion. Use it to make mint tea, chutney, put it in the raita, lassi and lemonade. It increases flavor and taste. Mint oil is used to make toothpaste, medicines, candies and gum. I planted the sapling. It will grow and grow and grow. I will tell you what my sappy says. My sappy says, each one plant one. Plants are our saviors. Let's join hands as warriors to keep our earth green and clean. In the end, I will say, plant a tree, plant a life. पेड़ लगाओ, हरे भरे जीवन बनाओ। छाया ये हमको देते, फल ये हमको देते, बाढ़ से हमको बचाते हैं, प्रदूषण का धूल हटाते हैं। हम भी पेड़ लगाएंगे, हरा भरा जीवन बनाए। हमारे संरक्षक पेड़ पौधे हमारे हैं, ये हम सबके प्यारे हैं। सर्दी बढ़ती सहते हैं, नहीं कभी कुछ कहते हैं। फल में भी बरसाते हैं, हम सब मिलकर खाते हैं। आओ इनसे प्यार करें, हम सब मिलकर हरा भरा संसार करें। ये पेड़ पौधे हमारे हैं, ये सबके प्यारे हैं। ये सर्दी गर्मी सहते हैं, ये नहीं कुछ कहते हैं। जब होंगे हमारे पेड़ सुरक्षित, तभी होगा हमारा भविष्य सुरक्षित। जब होंगे हमारे पेड़ सुरक्षित, तभी होगा हमारा भविष्य सुरक्षित। पेड़ लगाओ, देश बचाओ। पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ। जीवन को खुशहाल बनाओ। पेड़ों के न बनो भक्षक, आओ हम सब मिलकर बने इनके रक्षक।
3.
पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ। पेड़ लगाओ, जीवन बचाओ। अब मैं और मेरे साथी क्या आपसे कहना चाहती हैं, आइए देखिए।
इस शहर को हम हरियाली की चूनर पहनाए। नए नए कदमों पर नई नई उम्मीदें, इस शहर को हम हरियाली की चूनर पहनाए।
छोटी मोटी कोशिशें बदलेगी जिंदगी, हम आने वाले कल को खुशियों से महकाए।
शाखों पर फूलों सा खिलता अपना देवास। हम सब मिलकर इस मिट्टी का कर्ज चुकाएं। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं। 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 मजबूत बनाए। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं। एक पौधा